Welcome to our Nissan plant tour. After a Nissan car is designed and planned by the development team, production is divided among plants in Japan. And just takes 24 hours to make a single car. However, the process of actually making a car has several key steps. So today, let's take a closer look at how cars are made at Nissan. The first stage is stamping. Everything starts with these huge rolls of metal. The metal is cut into various sizes and is sandwiched from above and below in these huge presses. This makes the larger parts of a car, such as doors and side panels. Sharp and intricate body lines are achieved by using high-precision press and die machines. A single roll of metal produces about 300 cars. The next stage is welding. The stamped parts are welded together at high temperatures to form the car's shape. About 500 robots perform about 3,000 welds per car during body assembly. Unlike the metal parts, bumpers and other large resin parts are made by quickly pouring liquid resin into molds, then applying 2,000 to 4,000 tons of pressure with huge molding machines. Next is paint. After an anti-rust undercoat is applied to the body, a dust-free room is used to apply an intermediate coat. Then the final top coat is applied, giving the body its color. The computer automatically switches the paint to the right color each customer has ordered. After applying a clear coat for a perfect shine, it is carefully checked for any defects. The body and bumper are made of different materials and require separate paint processes. But at our newest plants, Nissan's innovative technology can paint all parts at the same time. This gives the entire car a more unified look with a consistent color finish. Next is assembly. Various parts using Nissan's advanced technologies are then attached to the fresh body. The motors and engines powering the cars are made at dedicated plants. They come here after strict checks, such as for performance and emissions confirmation. They are assembled by skilled technicians. Then the suspension, tires, seats, and about 3,000 additional parts are installed on the assembly line. Approximately half of these parts are from partner companies. Cars are raised and lowered to convenient heights, and machines assist with maneuvering heavy parts, creating a comfortable, people-friendly environment. Our newest assembly plant has introduced a revolutionary batch installation system for powertrain units. Nissan's proprietary pallet system and robotic assembly process enables fully automatic and highly accurate manufacturing. Furthermore, by optimizing the engine and motor combinations, each pallet can assemble a combustion engine, an e-power system, or a fully electric powertrain, including their large battery pack. The batch installation system can automatically assemble a wide range of vehicles. The last step is vehicle inspection. With biometric authentication, The 700 to 1200 inspection items are thoroughly checked exclusively by qualified inspectors. For example, vehicles are brought up to speeds of 100 kilometers per hour to check acceleration and the braking system. Cars that pass these rigorous inspections are sent by land or sea transport to customers all over the world. And that's how cars are made at Nissan. The Nissan Intelligent Factory is full of Nissan innovations, ensuring high-quality cars are made and will continue to drive the future of mobility. We look forward to sharing more Nissan stories with the world.